Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to buy brand clothing at Hacoo. If you're planning to buy brand clothing on Hacoo, the first thing I notice is that everything happens inside the mobile app. There's no full shopping experience on their website, so go ahead and download the app from iOS or Android first. When you open it, you're automatically given a temporary user profile, and you can later sign up using Google, your phone number on Facebook once you're ready to check out. Now, when I start browsing, I usually head straight to the search bar. If you're looking for a specific brand, let's say Nike, just type it in and see if listings appear. Availability depends entirely on what sellers currently offer inside the platform. If the brand shows up, you can tap a product to view details, check sizes, and explore the seller's store for similar items. You'll see options to add to cart, save to your wish list, or browse more from that shop. Haku also has a sales section with rotating discounts and occasional coupon codes. Once you're ready, proceed to checkout, enter your delivery details, choose your payment method, and complete the purchase. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.